Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. Let's make something else to go with this mermaid tail trinket dish. Okay, if you'll remember, I did the mermaid tail and the trinket dish. Okay. Now we just need to do a bit to go with. So I'm gonna spill something, I just know it. So let's do this splash. We may have enough to do the little ring dish too, because this is 4 ounces of the Bond Crafter regular resin. I'm going to do a little bit of the aqua color, the Trinket, and then the rest we're going to do in that peridot green. Okay, so let's pour off a little bit. Yeah, not on the desk, Lynn. Man, that annoys me. Okay. We'll get the spoon. A little bit of this aqua glitter. This is a holographic chunky fine mix. And yeah, I'm gonna do 3. I know it's not much resin, but I want it sparkly. I may decide I should have done 4. Okay, this is the Ranger alcohol pearls. Like I said, this one is the Trinket. It does have a ball in there, so you can shake it up. And this one does leak something terrible. And I actually did a whole squirt because I want it to be kind of colorful. Look. I'm gonna do another squirt. Okay. Now, that's it. Not adding any more. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I only used about half of that because it's already getting full. So we're just gonna add. Man, my instincts are to just make it. Yeah. I wasn't gonna pour it from one to the other, but I do kind of still want it to be be aqua, not clear. Although it's clear. Okay, now I'm going to put this on my curing rack and let it cure, but have no fear, I actually have 2 of these, so we'll do a green one too. But first, I'm going to press on these little splash points, because like these 2 right here, I can tell there's no resin in them. Oh yeah, there it went. So you can tell the difference. There it went. That one right there is still having trouble. There it went. It's a shorter splash, but it's hard to get it to fill up for some reason. There it went. Alright, I'm going to put this on my curing rack, and then I'll be back and we'll do the green one. And what did we do on the other one? 3. Told you I'd spill. Glad it was the glitter. We're going to say it was enough either way. Oh, yeah. That's pretty. Alright. Now the hard part will be which one to choose. Okay, before we go on, let's press those little splash tips. Oh my goodness, we got a lot to demold. So I'm gonna save the splashes till later. And then we're just gonna demold. Let's start with the mermaid tail. Okay, it's kind of pretty. I like the little tiny bits of glitter in there. And you can actually see the pearl alcohol ink. Okay, then we'll do the moon. Oh, same thing. I really like that. Okay, these are about the same as last time. And if you didn't see that, just go back a video or two and you'll see the leftover jewelry video. Okay, that's that. Now we'll do this ring dish. Now I did have to spray some mold release because this mold in particular is getting pretty old. It was starting to stick. Okay, that's pretty. Let's see. One that actually looks like it could be a match. Wow. Okay, so we're a step closer. Now, this is the one I was talking about that's got the bigger stones. Okay. Yeah, these are just going to be the stones around the edge. Okay. Yes, we did everything. All right. The green or the blue first? We'll do the blue first. Just because we poured it first. Okay, I got the blue one. Now the green one. This one is actually a little stretchier. Looking like it's time for some mold release on this one too. But as you can see, this one is a lot more flexible. I did buy them at 2 different times, even though I'm pretty sure I bought them from the same place. Okay. next one. There we go. The mold is really starting to come apart on me. But it may still have a couple more pores left in it. Okay. Like it. Now, which one goes better? The green or the blue? Kinda like that. Let's see. This mermaid tail. Kinda like that. Or this mermaid tail. Oh yeah, I like the glittery one better. I'm thinking about adding the moon. I don't know if it'll be this one or the glittery one. Ooh, I like the glittery one. But we'll figure that out when we get around to it. The point of today was the splashes. They turned out really, really well. No broken tips. That is such a good thing. Alright, I want to thank y'all all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.